Regionalism in Asia can bring many benefits, not only to the region itself but also to the rest of the world. Within Asia, regionalism helps by linking the different strengths of its economies. Since Asian countries are diverse, cooperation allows them to support each other, boost productivity, and achieve steady growth. By connecting their financial markets, they can improve stability, lower borrowing costs, and share risk more effectively. Working together also make it easier to set fair exchange rates and manage economic policies, which helps them to protect the region from global shocks and financial crises.
How can regionalism benefit Asia? Link the competitive strengths of its diverse economies in order to boost their productivity and sustain the region's exceptional growth. By connecting different economies in Asia, each country can focus on what they do best. This boosts overall productivity because everyone is more efficient. It also helps the region grow economically by making the most of its diverse resources. Connect the region's capital markets to enhance financial stability, reduce the cost of capital, and improve opportunities for sharing risk. Linking financial markets make the region more stable. It lowers the cost of borrowing money and makes it easier to invest. Sharing risk also protect against financial crisis. Operate in settings and exchange rate and macroeconomic policies in order to minimize the effects of global and regional shocks and to facilitate the resolution of global imbalances. How can Asian regionalism benefit the world? Generate productivity gains, new ideas, and competition that boosts economic growth and raises incomes across the world. Asian regionalism creates more productivity, encourages new ideas, and increases competition. This boosts economic growth and raises incomes worldwide. It helps improve living standards globally. Contribute to the efficiency and stability of global financial markets by making Asian capital markets stronger and safer, and by maximizing the productive use of Asian savings. Strengthening and securing Asian capital markets enhances investors' confidence, reduces risk, and promote more efficient capital allocation across the region. By channeling Asia's substantial savings into productive investments, it supports economic growth and contributes to the overall stability and efficiency of global financial markets. Provide leadership to help sustain open global trade and financial systems, and create regional mechanisms to manage health, safety, and environmental issues better, and thus contribute to more effective global solutions of these problems. By providing leadership in maintaining open trade and financial systems, Asia can promote global economic cooperation and resilience. Creating regional mechanisms to address health, safety, and environmental challenges strengthens local responses and support coordinated global solutions to shared problems.